अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल केमिस्ट्री फॉर बिगनर्स। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे, फिटफाट होंगे, अपनी लाइफ एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। आज आपके लिए मैं लाई हूँ एक और इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक, डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज़ ऑफ विटामिन सी। विटामिन सी की कमी की वजह से हमारे बॉडी में कौन कौन से डिजीज़ प्रोड्यूस होते हैं। Many diseases are produced in the body due to loss of vitamin C. First one is most important disease that is produced due to deficiency of vitamin C is scurvy. Scurvy is a disease in which collagen fiber loss that will weaken the connective tissue, and swelling and bleeding of gums then occur, and teeth will become loose, and there is a lot of bleeding in our gums occur due to deficiency of vitamin C. This disease is known as scurvy. And second important problem produced in our body is delayed inhaling of wound occur if our body have a deficiency of vitamin C. Hair loss will also occur, iron loss will also occur, then it will leads to anemia. You can see vitamin C deficiency leads to anemia. Anemia mean blood level decreases in our body if we take high amount of vitamin C. So you must keep in your mind, we should take our recommended daily intake of vitamin C. If we take a large amount of vitamin C than the recommended value, then we also have a different type of diseases. Like if we take a high amount of vitamin C than the normal amount, then it will also cause many diseases like diarrhea, stomach pain. You can see we should take our recommended daily intake value that I already discussed in my previous lecture. If we take high amount than the recommended value, then we also have a different type of diseases like diarrhea and stomach pain. And you can see I also discussed about the importance of vitamin C in my previous lecture. Vitamin C is one of the most important vitamin that required in our body in daily basis, because vitamin C is a water soluble vitamin. So we should take it in daily basis because it excrete out from the body easily. So we should take vitamin C in daily basis. If you like our video, then please press the like button and share with your friends. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification for all the incoming videos. If you want complete lecture of this topic, vitamin C, so you can get a complete lecture by a link given in description. I will be come back with a new topic. Stay tuned with us. Allah Hafiz.